Well, unfortunately, on my way home from an event yesterday, had my horse trailer, had the animals with me. I got home and noticed I had a flat tire, and I'm pretty sure I know where this happened. I had to drive on a gravel road that had like washboard road, basically just up and down, and I think I popped the tire while I was riding on that and had to go on it because there's construction that had another part of the road closed down and delayed pretty far. So what I'm going to do now is I've got my impact and I've got a jack. If you see right here, that's the frame of my trailer. So I'm just going to jack up the trailer using the jack here on that frame right there, and then I should be able to get this off. And luckily I have a spare tire right there. And so by no means is this going to be NASCAR speed or IndyCar speed or F1 speed, whatever, but I should be able to get this done pretty quickly. So I actually just noticed that I was missing a lug nut. That was not missing the other day, so that kind of sucks. Let's get these all loose. Luckily I have more lug nuts inside. Okay, almost there. This thing keeps popping off the socket. Get back in there. There we go. There's that one. Get this one off. You can see all the dust coming up from that road that I drove on. Man, even hand loose is hard. There we go. Okay, wheel is ready to come off. I'll probably have to jack this up a little higher to put the new one on because there's no air in this tire. All right, there we go. Let's jack this up a little higher. So right now I'm just taking off my spare tire. Got this handy little thing here that you can just do with your hand. Don't have to have any tools with you. Come on. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but I am using my Ray-Ban Meta glasses to film this. It's pretty cool. I've used it several times now to film things, like when I go to my daughter's games, soccer, volleyball, track, all that stuff. All right, let's get this off here. Make sure there's no creepy crawlies back there. Okay. Perfect. Oh, they're heavy. Let's get these lined up. Okay, where are you? Why are you so heavy? Okay, let's get these going. Oh yeah, you always want to go in like a cross pattern to make the torque even. Oh, no man's here. All right, let's go find another lug nut. Well, I thought I had the right size lug nuts, but this one is just off. And for some strange reason, the end of this one, it could just be from the nut as it was coming off, like beat it up, but it's flat at the end and then threaded down here. So what I'm going to do is just take one of these off and I'll bring it with me to the auto parts store and I will get a replacement. In the meantime, this thing isn't going anywhere, so it'll be safe sitting right here, and I'll take one off of one of these other wheels so that I don't have more than two off of that one. So anyway, but that's how you jack it up, how you replace your tire. So hopefully this helps one of you guys if you get stuck on the road. You guys have a good one.